How to change nickname in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change nickname in Blockman Go. Changing nickname in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go, launch the game on your mobile device. Once you are on the main menu, go to your profile. Tap on your profile avatar located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Access setting. Once in your profile, look for the setting gear icon and tap on it. Edit nickname. In the setting menu, you should see an option to change nickname. Tap on it. Enter new nickname. Type your new desired nickname. Make sure it complies with the game's rule. Confirm changes. Save or confirm your changes to update your nickname. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can change nickname in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.